Get ready, don't.
Careful for the fireplace. Michael, don't.
Look at all those presents.
Fall right on the fireplace.
Whose birthday is it?
Mine.
Whose birthday?
Mine.
Who?
Mine.
The birthday girls.
Boy.
Did you just take one, Lori?
Guys, right now, 29
Yes, I did.
Randy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? 102.
Kristen from Vernon Linda.
Put them outside for purpose.
From us. Right. But I think one of the things you might have to return.
I know you got her.
Lucky you.
I know it is.
Look at her already, Palmer. Now she's gotten clothes. See that the scarf? Look at that scarf once.
I don't think the scarf goes
There's
with
beads
the
on.
sweatshirt though.
No, the scarf doesn't go with the sweatshirt.
Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up.
That means something different. No. Just have to wear it with a black shirt or some sweatshirt. Is that a good choice? Good.
See?
You do?
Or a red or black turtleneck. Yeah, black turtleneck, so it's really cute. You want Kristen to go first, or do you want to take a turn?
Ranny.
Okay.
Be back here.
This is her name, Kristen?
Yes.
Who's it from?
Randy.
Her.
From Kristen and Terry and Lori and Mike?
And me. Only me. And Michael.
Okay.
And Lauren. Terry. My presents fell down.
That's okay, Leslie.
There.
Can you get it started?
As fast as can be. I know what to do. Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Is that a good choice?
Uh-oh. What's this? Ice cream shop. Is this ice cream shop? Ice cream shop. Nope, it's Play-Doh
What's
shop.
that TV doing
Is
next
this
to
ice cream shop?
It's on pause.
It's on pause.
No, don't leave it.
Ooh.
Close that one.
Play-Doh.
Ooh.
The other
Can
one.
a game stand pause that long?
I don't know how
Yeah.
long you guys
Mario?
been doing
Yeah.
We put on pause overnight.
Apparently.
I see, I think it's pony. A pony.
Ponies?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Boy.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Lori, how come you got your camera on P instead of automatic?
Because I
Wow.
had it on automatic and the
Nice.
shutter stuck for 30
Let me see. Hold it up.
Yeah.
Hold it up. Let me see.
I
Ooh.
just want a cheap one.
Good choice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, she wants the prize.
Ooh.
Like the shutter stayed open.
It has a necklace from Terry and Lori.
You tell Terry and Lori, thank you.
She did. Oh, okay.
Let's open this.
We must open it. How about if we open it after all the presents get opened, okay?
I want this not open.
Okay. Shall Kristen take a turn? Hold up your Play-Doh. Let me see. Hold it up.
Play-Doh is a cooking thing.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cooking
You
Play-Doh.
make it with Play-Doh though.
Yeah.
It's for
Yeah.
Just what I wanted.
Good. That was a good.
Who's this?
Is it Kristen's turn?
No, we should Kristen have a turn, Leslie?
Who's that?
I'll let Kristen have a turn.
Kristen's gonna open one now.
Okay, you scooch
Leslie
it.
has more presents that she wants to open at that
Well, she's alright. Can Kristen have a turn?
Do you want to open yours? Okay.
Oh.
Don't ask twice.
That's from you.
Yeah, we ran out of paper.
Oh no. Are you kidding?
Yes, I know. It's like,
You should be ashamed.
that matches hers, and the other part
Hey, Laurie.
matches Kristen.
On automatic, it did the same thing like you said. They open like that. So when you're using the flash, put it on 60.
What is it?
The red number. All the
Let me
rest of them.
see.
Oh, boy.
Let me see.
Oh,
Turn it up.
nice. What do you have?
A nice baby. You know what, Leslie? That baby you can take in the bathtub with you. Ooh.
And she has baby things. She has baby powder and she
Hold it
has
up.
baby wash. Yeah.
Other than that, thank you.
This goes with it too.
That goes with it.
Let's open it. Yes.
Try another.
Oh, wow. Is that, yes, is that what you wanted? Yes, it's dress and dazzle. Is that what you wanted? Oh, boy. What do you say?
Yeah, play with it too.
I almost got her that.
Grandpa like play with it.
Wow, that's what you wanted.
That was close.
Hey,
Oh, yours.
Share.
Is that what you wanted?
Ballerina then.
Share our toys.
Yeah. Ballerina. Tell Mike, can you be there? You go.
It comes with its own shoes. See the shoes?
Yeah.
Slippers. Grandpa likes to play, Dolly.
Gabby, you're not a girl.
Grandpa likes to dress up.
That was a good choice, wasn't it? Can Kristen take a turn now?
Here's my one.
Wait, let Kristen open one last time, okay?
Okay, Kristen. Leslie, can Grandpa borrow that? Why not?
Grandpa wants to wear the earrings. These are clip-ons. Yes, he can.
Who's this from?
You got a box for her? I got a box.
Oh, good. Just what you wanted. Is that your favorite?
Listen, Dad.
Comes with slippers.
Charcoal lighter, all right.
What's a garbage can?
Sorry, I ripped that off.
Yeah, sure. Yes. Oh, and a new robe.
Wow, nice robe.
Is that a hood?
That's like your green one, isn't it?
Nice.
Now she's all set for bed.
Don't want it in here, it's gonna get all wrinkled, your shirt.
Whose turn is it? I don't know. Kristen's still opening her present.
How much money do you need?
Earrings.
There's money, all right.
How do you know?
For college.
I can see it.
Oh,
The gift certificate.
Gift is.
that's
15.
That's good.
Ooh.
I got a toy.
She got 15.
Well, you got a toy.
Is it my
For your
turn?
birthday, you got Legos.
Is it my turn?
You tell them how much money you got.
Your Legos cost more money than that.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Tell them how much you got.
Okay, I'll help. Okay.
Do you see, Leslie, do you see one with your name on it?
You gonna hold that for
Where
me?
you gonna put it, Kristen? Now
Yeah,
you
that's
can
a nice
buy
present.
Leslie, you look and you see if there's one with your name on it.
Save it. Deborah. No.
Does it say your name?
Yeah, give it to Deb. She'll invest it for you.
Matthew, does that say Leslie's name? She thinks that says her name. Does it? Okay.
Yeah.
Cursive.
Okay. That's why she wasn't sure.
Open it. Yeah, Jenny.
Who is it from? Okay. Now, Don, can you take a picture? Okay. Thanks. Oh, all right.
I'm on number 8.
Okay, that's good. Watch out, Matthew, a little bit. Matthew, she wants to do it.
No, it's 24. Just remember.
Oh, okay.
36 is Christmas.
Oh, pretty.
Did you get an envelope too?
No.
Whoa.
What did you get?
Went to a good store.
Hold it up. Let's see what you got.
What you got?
Hold it up.
What do you mean?
Oh.
Get a
Maybe we
picture.
get to church?
Try me. Let's see. Hold it up.
No, see where Grandma's
Think it will fit you?
Where is that from?
Leslie,
You?
hold it up.
You should have stuffed all your eggs in there and then put tea in there.
Wait, yeah, wine.
And then shuffle.
That's okay. What else did you get? Let me see the other clothes. Hold up the other clothes.
Oh, sweatsuit.
You hold up the shirt?
Pretty.
Hold the stuff in. Move it.
Pretty. And some new pants. Good.
Goody, now I found another box with some more of this.
And some more. Another sweatsuit.
I don't think she cares for them as much as the others. No, she probably liked the other box better.
What do you say to Grandpa and Grandma?
The other present than Leslie.
Is that hers? Is that her present?
Look it over.
Yeah.
That's from Grandma too.
Kristen, did you
That's from Grandma and Lori.
And Lori.
And this is for you too?
Leslie. Leslie. This is from Grandma and Lori. Lori gives good presents.
Did you go pick it up?
You think you might need a battery?
Watch out, Matthew.
Turn it around.
What is it? What's the seat? Yeah, we used to have this, but it broke down.
Oh, you did?
But what is it?
It's all broken.
The choo-choo train one?
Yeah. Yeah, but it's different.
Well, we got ours at a garage sale and all the parts weren't there.
Yeah.
That's good.
Oh, boy. And she just wanted to play with it today, and I said, no, it's all broken.
This see.
Do you think you're going to need
Yes, you
these?
need those to make it work, Leslie.
You better get those from Terry.
You better go get those from Terry. Terry?
That's Grandpa's present.
Grandpa gave the batteries.
Grandpa gave you those so you can run it.
What do you say?
You better tell Grandpa I'm gonna thank you again.
Make sure you say thank you, everybody.
Yeah,
Baby,
you forgot to say it again.
Do you get a kiss for Grandpa to tell him thank you?
Give your grandpa a kiss.
Grandpa's waiting for his birthday kiss.
It's not worth that, is it?
Yep.
I thought it said rude dog.
You're my
It said woo dog. Woo dog, it said woo dog. Woo dog is better.
Grandpa gave you that?
I gave you that pony, though. I need a kiss, too.
Matt, you think you'll take that apart here?
Yeah.
This is from Deb and Don.
Yeah. Give me a kiss and I'll show you how.
It's not.
All right.
She's not.
Yeah, okay.
So give me here. I'll put tapes in for you, Chris.
I don't have a radio on. So make sure you don't
balls.
count the pieces and make sure you got it. I'm gonna leave, okay? Okay, maybe we can find a baggie to put those little pieces in.
It's his face.
Because we wouldn't want to lose those.
You're welcome.
Here's a knife and add that in.
I know, it seems like the radio's not here.
Leslie's 102.
Happy birthday to you.
Leslie's 102.
Happy birthday. Come on, you
Started this song.
Leslie and Kristen.
Happy
Happy
birthday
birthday to you.
Leslie, go!
Whoa! Harder! Uh-oh, don't get your wish.
chewing this cake off of the little pony.
What do I get?
Leslie, did you pick the pony?
Leslie.
Is that good?
Leslie, is that good?
Well, you will.
I don't know whose party was that.
Mine.
That was, yeah.
My birthday.
Randy's?
Leslie's 102 today.
Randy's what birthday?
Leslie's 102.
102.
107.